mountains here in Central City. And we got some elevators here. Schindler MTs. All right. Got to talk over the music. Let's see here. I wonder. No, I don't think these are scenic. But let's look out the window. Get a look at the view again. It's pretty nice. Oh, here we go. Here is the elevator. Yeah, sadly not scenic. I don't know. All right. Whoa. All right. Opens on that side. Notice of filming. Looks like they got a little smoking area out here. And the garage, I guess, goes up even further, but that staircase looks pretty decrepit. Woo! Big drop. What's this notice of filming about? Oh, it's a notice about they're filming us. I see. I thought it was going to say that we can't film. Anyway, interesting. They put some like stuff over the panel here. Doesn't look that nice though. It's free prime lunch and dinner. Prime rib lunch and dinner. Anyway, that is it.